So Brandy, thank you so much, and we're happy that you are with us now. So we will really take care of you. And now we have Berta.
Good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Roberto Blando Jr. They call me Berta of Cebu because of the KMJS, Jessica Soul Viral Radio. Actually, I was a former drug addict for 17 years, former beaker on the streets for 17 years, and street dwellers for 17 years. Total in all is 51 years na nag-roaming around Bohol, the Cebu City, doing that kind of wrong job. So for me, this morning, I would like to thank our President of CEO of Safe Haven, Sir Ronnie Bong de los Santos, for accepting me to the Safe Haven that I work there now, and also Eman for rescuing me at the time, and Sir Lito also for introducing the Bahay Foundation, who would be able to be to stand myself being a new people, a new person that I have now. So now I am happy that I live good and I do good, and I help also the drug addict victims, and I help also to those who are broken, hurting, and lonely. So once again, thank you very much and good morning.
Thank you so much, Berta. Berta is one very good example, no?